The magic of one dot. YFlow's journey of transformation. Welcome to YFlow 24-25, a year of empowerment and growth. It all began with one dot. One idea, one woman. A single spark that ignited a movement. A vision that declared, when we empower one, we empower all. This year, we weren't just witness to change. We became its architects. We didn't just wait for the world to shift, we made magic happen. Every initiative, every connection, every empowered woman, one by one, each became part of something bigger. A ripple that refuses to stop. Together, let's rise, empower, and thrive. Wasn't just a vision, it was a promise. Because when one woman rises, she lifts her family, her community, and entire industries. This year, we didn't just talk about transformation, we made it real. Rural livelihood empowerment, dreams taking flight. From a single dot, waves of impact spread across villages, classrooms, boardrooms, and beyond. Around 30,000 women empowered, countless more inspired. Knowledge is the foundation of empowerment. This year, we equipped women with digital and STEM education. Marketing and computer training unlocked new career paths with NIIT and Amity. From bustling cities to quiet villages, we uplifted women, artisans found new platforms, second chances became new beginnings, with tailoring training transforming lives. Empowerment begins with well-being. From healthcare access to cancer screenings, we ensured women had the support they needed to take charge of their health. Mental wellness program and medical camps helped women build stronger, healthier futures. Financial independence is power. Women gain investment knowledge and leadership skills, learning to take control of their futures. Through Corporate Women Program, they stepped into their power, more confident, more independent, more unstoppable. Through impactful awareness programs, we united voices on critical topics. From road safety to national pride, we built a stronger, more informed community. Impact goes beyond individuals. It shapes entire communities. An animal ambulance was introduced. 2,000 trees were planted, ensuring a greener tomorrow. Sustainable practices were encouraged, creating a more conscious future. What began as a commitment to education and empowerment has become a movement of change. Together, we are not just transforming lives, we are shaping a future where women lead, innovate, and thrive. Connecting dots, skills and learning workshops. This year, we didn't just bridge gaps, we built highways. Highways that connected women to leadership, opportunities, and global networks. At IIM Residential Program, women transformed into future leaders. Google Spark and personal branding help women master digital presence and AI-powered branding. Mindshare and Spark Tank turned ideas into thriving startups and honed narrative storytelling. MoneyWise, financial literacy equipped women with investment skills. Digital Armor, protecting your business, ensured online safety. Sustainable Futures, Green Spaces empowered eco-conscious leaders. Empowerment Circle fostered transformative connections through deep bonding. Unfolding Maps 3D to 2D, Poetry of Gender Reality explored perspectives through art, identity, and storytelling. Real-world learning came to life through industrial visits from Amul and Amazon Fulfillment Center to the outbound experience at Vizag Naval Dockyard, where we unlocked knowledge and innovation firsthand. Every skill was stepping stone, every connection a spark of possibility. Together, we built an unstoppable network of women ready to lead, inspire, and transform. Events that transformed the power of community. Powerful talks, bold ideas, real impact. From April to March, our events weren't just gatherings. They inspired change. Our speaker sessions sparked ideas, empowered voices, and left a lasting impact. Shattering stereotypes, we redefined women's place in sports, breaking barriers. Beyond Horizons, Oceans of Wisdom. Experts deep dived into marine conservation and the struggle of our oceans. Balance and bliss, more than self-care, our speakers explored wellness as a way of life. Sustainable fashion visionaries, fashion met sustainability as the thought leaders reshaped conscious consumerism, redefining glamour and influence, a powerful take on how influence and style are being redefined in today's world. Tropical Tranquility, a transformative 3-day retreat for women at Andaman Island. YFlow explored collaborative opportunities with Andaman Administrative and ANCCI Women's Wing. Independence Day celebrations, a tribute to 78 years of resilience, progress, and the spirit of freedom. Regal Empowerment, a historic gathering of Indian royals for the grand finale of YFlow 24-25, celebrating leadership, heritage, and women's empowerment. Each event wasn't just an experience, it was a catalyst for change. Every conversation ignited new possibilities. Every shared moment wasn't just networking, it was an empowerment in action. This year, we didn't just raise funds, we lifted spirits. We didn't just welcome new members, we welcomed a wave of hope. But our greatest achievement isn't measured in numbers. It's in the lives we've touched. Our voices grew louder, our presence stronger. Through press, media, and a soaring social media reach, we didn't just make headlines, we made an impact. We built an unstoppable network of women, leaders, changemakers, and force of nature. None of this would have been possible without the Flow National Leadership and YFlow mentors for their unwavering support. Our dedicated office bearers and committee who made the vision a reality. Our industry partners and sponsors who helped open new doors. Each and every member who showed up, spoke up, and stood strong. Together, we sparked a force that will continue to change lives for generations. Infinite possibilities. Together, we rise, we empower, we thrive. Thank you.